right, everyone, here we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. We have a woodpecker feeder. This is a cedar feeder, okay? Well, cedar wood, you guys, which means like weather resistant and all of that stuff. So hopefully this will last a while. I don't think I need to do any other treatment. This product was made by Kettle Moraine, and Kettle Moraine makes cool woodpecker feeders. I specifically ordered this one because I want to see the big woodpeckers, like the real ones. I always get the other woodpeckers, so I get those little black ones, and then I get the one that have red on their head, but they're like smaller. I want to have like woody. I want to attract the woodies. I don't know what they actually called. Y'all can let me know in the comments, but they actually come out for my area. I'm in Maryland, so they come out definitely in the winter to springtime. I'll be seeing them a lot. I don't see them too much in the summertime and stuff like that. So I actually bought this so I can try to catch them. I caught a few the other day, like maybe like last week. And yeah, I just want to see how that goes. Now, this is approximately 2 foot, you guys, 24 inches. And I have to say that this is pretty big, you guys. I did buy some suet blocks. So I will be breaking those up and putting them inside the holes right here. Now the holes are pretty deep. We do have the hook right here. And this is all that comes with it, you guys. So it's not much to it. It don't cost that much. If you will make this yourself, obviously it's free. You could just get a piece of wood outside, but you will have to treat that wood. So keep that in mind. And we have here the hook, and they have a hole right here. So this is the top. All right. So we are going to just screw that up. If you want to put your own little hook up on here, you can. But we are going to put what they gave us. And do be careful if you worry about getting splinters. Definitely wear gloves. But this is 2 foot. I will be hanging this out in the morning. Don't know if I'm going to get the big woodpecker, but that's what we are shooting for. We're shooting to get the big woodpecker, you guys. That's what I'm shooting for. I just like watching them. So I'm a fuddy-duddy, you guys. I know I'm a fuddy-duddy. But if you need to know anything else, please let me know in the comments on this. I will show y'all me putting the food inside. I will be breaking it up, putting it inside, and then we will watch the woodpeckers eat. Feeding woodpeckers is fairly cheap, you guys. I mean, it's only like $1 for those blocks. So feeding them is cheap. You know, if you want to feed like actual birds, then it could get expensive depending on how often you feed the birds. And if the squirrels eat the food, then yes, it gets expensive if the squirrels eat the food. But more than likely, I spend like maybe like $20 a month on bird food, you guys. I don't spend that much a month on bird food. So when I be talking like co-workers and stuff, they be like, oh, you be feeding birds? You be wasting money feeding birds? I'm like, bro, it's like $20 a month. It don't cost that much to feed birds, you guys. It actually costs more to feed your dog and cat. All right, you guys. But anyways, as y'all know, longtime followers on the channel, y'all know I love the birds. I love feeding birds. I love feeding squirrels. I love messing with the squirrels. I like recording all of that. So I will be starting up a bird channel and stuff like that, or my own little animal channel, and having fun on that channel as well. But as for this channel, I still review home products. This is which includes stuff like this. This is home goods. It does feel okay, but you can still see, I don't know, if I was y'all, still watch it just so y'all don't get splinters, okay? And you can actually see the knots on here. Okay, you guys, so I am ready to show y'all me breaking up the food, putting this outside, feeding the woodpeckers, and Hopefully the squirrels don't come, but the squirrels might come and feed off of it too. I will start by posting this. All right, you guys, we are actually 2 weeks later, and I apologize. I don't have the mic hooked up to y'all, so I am speaking a little bit loud, but not too loud. So it took at least 1 week for the woodpeckers to even acknowledge this thing. So yeah, just stay tuned. I will be starting up a bird channel, and I am ready to start loading up shorts as far as like feeding the birds and stuff go. I might save that all for my bird channel, but do stay on the lookout. So I did go and purchase a few more of these. Once again, if you're feeding woodpeckers, it's fairly cheap. Now, the only reason why mines went empty so fast is because the squirrels actually got into it, you guys. So it took a while for the squirrels to even notice what this thing was. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and refill it up, but I have to say that I like this feeder, and this is probably going to be one of my feeders that I use a lot. I actually uploaded a cool fun video on my TikTok until they shut that down again. This is a crazy world, you guys. So that's as much as I got left, and this is the one I've been using right here. All right, so that's the one we're going to use this time around. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.